"What's a Scorch Pen?" I asked. It turns out it's a pen that actually scorches. Who would have thought? These burn with chemicals, so you draw on the wood just like you do with a normal pen. You can do any pattern you want, and actually it works as freely as a pen. I'm really randomly doing something strange here, and that doesn't look like that's burnt very much to me. But this is activated with heat. Now, you are supposed to use a heat gun at this point, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use a blowtorch. Obviously being very careful not to set your workshop on fire.